Right, join me at Lidl RDC in Newbridge. This is just going to be a bit of a reaction video to DD2012's video that I seen him post yesterday, because it's something that's affected me as well. I don't want to get into too much detail, but yeah, the whole thing with depression is he was right. Like, you just put on a face, you put on a smile, and you have to just deal with that. You feel like crap inside. You just don't want anyone else to feel the pain that you're in, I suppose, because that's just the way we're built. You don't want to be hurting or making people feel bad, and it does affect your job as well. Like when I was younger, I've left jobs because of it. Just simply lying in bed and just saying, Jesus Christ, I don't want to get out of bed here now. Just like I was friends, like I had friends and mates and all in the job. Like, it's just when you're feeling like this, there's nothing that can make you say, oh yeah, I'll just stick it out, because you can't really. You just fall apart, kind of. But he was right. Dee was right as well. Don't fight it, and try to stay off medication. Because medication isn't the answer. It's just a false sense of security, like, that's gonna like blanket over the real problems. The best way to deal with it is to get more active for a start, and try cut off people in your life that are negative. People that make you feel crap, just cut them out. Like, you might have known them years, it doesn't matter. Cut them out of your life, because they're not. They know there's something up with you, and they still keep on going on and on at you. It's not fair on your brain, and it's not fair on your family, because it's going to be affecting them if it's affecting you. You seem to have a fair idea, like, about the subject. I do as well, but I'm not even too sure on how to say it to you, lads, because I'm not a doctor, I'm not a medical professional, and all you can really do is find something you love doing and stick to it. Like, I was working in a warehouse for 3 years on night shifts. All I wanted to do was become a truck driver, and now, because my dad was a driver as well, and now look, 3 years later, I'm a year into this new job, driving a Rigid, and hopefully I'll be able to do the CE license in 2020 as well. I'm happier, but you do get days where you just slip, you feel bad. Them days you just have to keep it together. Hopefully you have a good woman behind you, or a good lot of friends, and a good family. Everyone needs good family if they feel like this now. You can't go through it on your own. That's really all I'm going to say on this subject, lads. I'm just on my way here to do a drop. So yeah, I'll catch up with you in a while. I might continue this vlog later on for the day, but it was just really a reaction video to DD2012.